So in the previous video, we have looked how to filter the columns. In this video, we will look at how to filter the rows. So we have imported Panda library and read the data frame into the variable called x. When I print the x, we can see that the different columns have been printed. But no, what now I want to print the all the data set which are having age greater than 17. So what I will do now is to make filter, comment down this and uncomment this one and run in. So we can see that the age group here, we can see that this data set has been filtered. Age has been 18, 19 and all the ages are above 17. What if I want to print the all the males which are greater who are above the age of 17? So what I will do is to add another condition with the using with the operator and. So let's see, let's run. So now we can see that here's the age or is again the above 70 and this is the males. So that's how we filter the rows in pandas.